And just a few hours ago, there was high drama that played out outside the temple as the former TTD chairman was stopped by cops from entering the temple. This after he had dared the Naidu government to take an oath before Lord Venkateshwara that their allegations are true. So the former TTD chairman was there to swear that he did not engage in any sort of adulteration of the prasadam. And he says, I haven't done anything wrong. He wasn't allowed inside. Let's play out for you that full sequence.
నేను ఏ పరీక్షకైనా సిద్ధం ఒక్క తప్పు చేసి ఉంటే నేతిలో నేను కలంకితమైనటువంటి పదార్థాలు కలిపి ఉంటే మా హయాంలో ఏ శిక్షకైనా సిద్ధం
Chandran is joining us live right now from Tirumala in Tirupati. We've seen these images, Apurva, of the former TTD chairman, Bhumana Karunakar, at the temple, wasn't allowed inside, tried to take an oath essentially saying that I am saying the truth. We did not resort to any sort of adulteration of the prasadam. So drama playing out right now in the temple premises also.
That's right, Akshita. Just a couple of, half an hour back, Bhumana Karunakar Reddy, who is the former chairman of the TTD, had come here to the Tirumala, where he had gone and, did a prokshanam, after which he had gone and taken a swearing-in oath there. He swore just before the deity there, Lord Tirumala Venkateshwara. He also went on and stated that he, during his regime, has done nothing wrong when he was the chairman of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. He also went on and stated that the government is stating false statements and that if what he says is wrong, him and his entire family will perish. These are the kind of words that he had said. This even as the police tried to stop him from making any comments there or addressing the media. All of this just days after there had been a report that had come out, and then we had the chief minister there.
Apurva, just stay with me. We'll talk about that. Apurva, just stay with me. Unfortunate, really, that the politics that we've been witnessing and this blame game now reaching the doors of this holy temple, as well as we've just witnessed with the former TTD chairman there landing up saying, I will take oath, I will swear on Lord Balaji that we did not adulterate the ghee in any manner. But if you've missed out on all the political action that happened over the last 2 days, let's tell you about the war of words, the face-off that we've been seeing between the TDP and the YSRCP, led by their leaders, by Chandrababu Naidu and Jagan Mohan Reddy. And here's what they had to say about this entire issue. Chandrababu Naidu, of course, blaming Jagan Mohan Reddy, even saying that as a Christian, he didn't care about the values that Tirumala Tirupati stand for. Jagan Mohan Reddy, on the other hand, has been shooting off one letter after another to the Prime Minister.
దేవుని దగ్గర పెట్టే ప్రసాదం అపవిత్రం చేసే విధంగా ఓసారి బాధేస్తుంది. నాసి రకమైన ఇంగ్రీడియంట్సే కాకుండా ఎనిమల్ ఫ్యాట్ కూడా వాడారని, ఏది గీకు బదులు. ఈరోజు స్వచ్ఛమైన గీ తెమన్నాం, ప్రక్షాళన చేయమన్నాం, నాణ్యత పెరిగింది, ఇంకా కూడా నాణ్యత పెంచుతాం.
To divert people's attention from this act of his, he had stooped down to the extent of tarnishing the image and reputation of our temple. What has actually happened here is just a routine practice which has been twisted for political gains.